All right, we're gonna tap it out, slide, 2 hip rolls, again.
Yeah, that hurt me, I'll admit. Forget that, but I'm over it.
Tap, slide. All right, we're gonna take it to a grapevine to the right. Turn it out.
Hope she ain't picking it like I did, babe. Took so long, you said call it quits.
One more time. All right, we're gonna go here, tap, tap. 2 booty pops, and then double to the right. Same thing. Hands up. Bring it up. Take it back. We're going to do that same thing again. Never. Same thing from the top. Tap, slide, hip roll. Tap, slide, hip roll, grapevine. Turn it out. See, you're all brand new. All new and shiny. All right, elbow, heel. Booty pop. Lift it up. This is the best part. Are you ready?
Yeah. Shout out to my ex. You're really quite the man. You made my heart break and that made me who I am. Here's to my ex. Hey, look at me now. I'm all the way up. I swear you'll never bring me down. Shout out to my ex. You're really quite the man. You made my heart break and that made me who I am. Here's to my ex. Hey, look at me now. I'm all the way up. I swear you'll never.
We're gonna tap it. Tap, slide, tap, slide.
You'll never bring me down.
Last one. Breathe.
Shout out to my ex, you're really quite the man. You made my heart break and that made me who I am. Here's to my ex.
Hey, look at me now.
Well, I'm
All right, here we go.
You'll never bring me down.
Hey!
Shout out to my ex, you're really quite the man. You made my heart break and that made me who I am. Here's to my ex. Hey, look at me now. I'm all the way up. I swear you'll never bring me
Again.
down. Shout out to my ex, you're really quite the man. You made my heart break and that made me who I am. Here's to my ex. Hey, look at me now. I'm all the way up. I swear you'll never.
Let's tap inside one more time. Last one. Ow! All right. I love this song. It's another one. If you want the explicit version, you just turn us down, turn that up. I don't blame you. Here we go. Hup. You're just gonna switch hip. Little pop there. You just own your body. You're like, I'm brand new, bitches. Hey. All right. We're gonna hit this. Rock. Rock. Now I want you to grind it right here. Left side. Again, grind it. Kick. 1, 2, 3. All right, we're gonna step shuffle right here. Shuffle, shuffle. Now just kick. It might seem like a lot right now. It's very repetitive. You got it. Get ready for that step shuffle. Here we go. Up. Now you just hit. From the top with those hip bumps. Hey. Confidence. Soul. Fast. Here we go. Up. Hit that hip roll. Left side. 3, 2, up. Ow! Get ready for that shuffle. Up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Kick it. Up. 1, 2, 3. Up. Shuffle. Hup, hup. All right, this is the best part. Coming up, we got Andre 3000 on the mic. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock. Same thing to the left. We get to do that again. Once you get it, you better get it. All right, kickball change. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Step out, out, in, out, in. 2 more of these. Back to the top, shoulder. Yes, rock it. Left side, up. Kickball change coming at you. Up.
The magazine got to your head. Now somebody you don't need no got you in bed. Bet you don't need no, you don't like red.
Our future.
Our future's dead.
Kick it.
I thought that had nothing last, man.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Shuffle. Hup. Kick it. Get ready for that kick with the run. Hup. Throw it, yes. Shuffle. We're going to go back to the top with those hip hops all the way to the end. Good job, okay. Hitting it hard right here, you know this song, right? This is like sexy vibes. You're like, you're gonna miss this, baby. Take it down. Same thing, go.
Good for you, I guess that you've been working on yourself.
Get nice and
I guess
low.
the therapist I found for you, she really helped. Now you can be a better man for your brand new girl.
We're gonna hit this hard. 2, 2, single. Guitar. What? From the top. Hit it.
Good for you, I guess you're getting everything you
Drop it.
want. You got a new car and your career's really taking off. It's like we never even happened, baby. What the fuck is up with that? And good for you, it's like you never even
for
met
you,
me.
right?
Remember when
Why?
you swore to God I was the only person who ever got you? Well, screw that.
Hold
Screw
it.
you.
4,
You'll never
3,
have to hurt the
2,
way you know that I
2.
do. Well, good for you, you look happy and healthy. Not me, if you ever cared to ask. Good for you, you're doing great. I'll do
Get ready for those punches. 3, 2, 1. Now make it a little bigger.
I'm too emotional.
Add a little snap. We're gonna switch sides.
Maybe I'm too emotional. Your apathy is like a wounded soul. Maybe I'm too emotional.
Never.
Maybe you never get it.
Are you ready? Two. Let's hit it, girls. Right here.
Like a damn sociopath. I lost my mind. I've spent the night crying on the floor of my bedroom. But you're so unaffected, I really don't get it. But I guess good for you.
Everybody hit that last guitar solo.
For you, I guess you moved on really easily.
We should have practiced the end of that. All right, you can't do breakup anthems without this song right here. Little Justin. To the right. Two. You're like, what's up? What's up? Now we're gonna do those puppet moves from the dance video. Jack, jack, pick, pick. It's like you're a little puppet. No more. Turn it out. I know you know this. So at home, don't just dance. Sing along. We're gonna hold this. 1, 2, 3. Turn, turn. Turn. Same thing again. Now these iconic moves coming up. 2. Hit this. To the left. Up. 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 Only one time each here from the top. Puppet. Keep those elbows up. Turn it out. Here we go. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Turn. Back. You're like a robot. Bye, bye, bye. Same thing. Here we go. We're going to be here for just a little bit. And then we got the slow part. All right, take it down. Just like in a music video. Start to lift it up. Here we go. Right, left, up. 2. To the left, up. Up. This all the way to the end. Right, go, up.